Okay, so there's Sao Paulo ruins right there, and we're just going to kind of stroll around in this area a little bit. And I think probably what I'll do is maybe we'll walk down. Let's see. I'm not sure exactly what we'll do. We could go this way, of course, and then go down another little alley. There's a lot of little stuff around here. There's a fortress up there. It's a beautiful place to see the sunset. And of course there's Sao Paulo ruins too. Maybe we'll do is see Sao Paulo ruins. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna head on up to Sao Paulo ruins. Had a little bit of debate which one to do, and I think this one makes the most sense, so we'll capture it and what's around it up near the base. There's a number of set stairs that people walk to. There's a meaning, I think it has some kind of Catholic meaning. Lago de Campagna de Jesus. The street that accompanies Jesus. And then there's the street of the resurrection. You got these kind of beautiful little shops here. And of course all these kind of cool looking stuff. There's somebody up on the rooftop right there. Probably can't see him, but a lot of these buildings have rooftop access to certain people. So I can see somebody who just has that entire rooftop just kind of walking around. It'd be amazing to have that as your personal space. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get a little closer to Sao Paulo ruins and show you this as well. Here's a Portuguese one. Everything's written in Portuguese and in Chinese and in English as well. So here's the ruins of St. Paul's, 1835, but originally 1602. So originally 400 years ago. So this was built 400 years ago, but then they rebuilt it 200 years ago. This is kind of a special lane. It's like Lover's Lane. That should be a good one. I should film that one actually. I'll probably come back and film that one later. So we're just gonna walk around and show you what's around here a little bit. And there's a nice little temple there, so I think I'll probably show that one. Then there's a big fortress up there. Let's just take a look in here real quick. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight down this way, and we're gonna catch this temple right here. And this little temple is also kind of a tourist attraction. So that the one beside us is a Catholic one. This is a Buddhist one. So this is let's see what the name is exactly. Here it is up here. Tcha temple. And then if you go in here a little bit, there's just too much stuff in here. So this is the back side of it, and then that's kind of beautiful too, right? And then these little things, this wall. I think there's some meaning behind the wall, but I'm not 100% sure. There's also this little temple right there. So yeah, beautiful spot. And that's Grand Lisboa Casino straight that way as well. So yeah, it's nice. And the lights are just coming on as well, so we got that nice lighting right now. So let's walk on in. And this is a beautiful little space here. Legend of Tcha. So it's written. Then there's some kind of story behind that as well. Patio do Espinho. I haven't been in here in a while, but there's a lot of nice things in this space. A little museum. It's closed at the moment. And they put these little lights here as well, so that's nice to see too. So yeah, and little benches as well. So I think I heard that they put some money into it, and they made it so that they could be really beautiful to see. Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, beautiful lighting, really beautiful lighting. And then we have the backside, which looks down a little bit. Hello. Hello. So yeah, this is a really beautiful little area. So this is a Patio do Espinho. And I think what we're gonna do, because they all know each other. So I think we're gonna walk down that way, but I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of continue down this way a little bit. I kind of don't want to bother them. Not everybody wants to be on camera, so. But yeah, maybe I'll just label this Patio do Espinho. We got this nice little apartment. And now we're on the back side. Okay, so let's end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha.